cistern seas, where the sun shines vibrantly. Homes and dreams were woven, Hacienda High School standing sturdily, giving waves of knowledge, molding tomorrows beyond its blue shores, making us great sailors, undaunted by the tides, facing challenges, aiming soaring high. Hacienda High School, our alma mater, turn our dreams into reality. The lighthouse of our pastor was last victory. You are so where we belong, a vessel of change against the tides of fate. Hacienda High School, pioneer of destiny. Hacienda High School, we thank thee, your commitment and service, a pillar of resiliency, a place where our